One of the important things when you do an install is to make sure you have a good crew. You need a good electrical person that just in case there's electrical work that needs to be done, as well as you need a crew like that are carpenters that can help you with mounting speakers and running wires and things like that that have to be done. If carpeting has to be pulled up a little bit in order to run wires underneath there, they know how to tack it back and make sure everything is neat and clean for that church. And this particular room that I'm standing in right now, we will be redoing this entire room. We're going to be putting in a shelf to put the new board, as well as we're going to be preparing certain things for them. They want to be able to do streaming and whatnot, so we're going to be preparing this room for them, and we will be doing the training in this room for their deacons, trustees, or they might have a youth or something that's going to be running the sound system. And so we will also bring in probably the pastor at a separate time for that pastor just to be able to come in and check out the system, talk into the speaker system, see what it's sounding like, and try to really get it to where it's really comfortable for that pastor. The monitors are kicking where he or she can hear clearly, as well as any monitors that the choir will be using and whatnot. And so we want to make sure that everything is tweaked, everything is just right for that individual congregation, because every congregation is different. And what their needs are will be different. What their tradition is, depending on what type of worship service they have. And we want to make sure that we are able to do exactly what they need so that they're happy on Sunday mornings for their service. They're happy in their choir rehearsal. They're happy in their Bible study. If the pastor has a lavalier or whatever, everything is tweaked so that they will know what to do. And then even after the system is in, even after we've done training, even after we've tweaked everything, if that congregation has a problem, they know to give us a call, and we'll be right there to help them out. All right? And so we're continuing. Like I said, this is probably a 3-day project for us, and we are looking to do a phenomenal job for this church because we aim to please our clients.